Wealth and financial stability, to me, leads to freedom. Girls That Invest Media started out because when I was younger and I was looking for a community of women to talk about investing, I would go to some events, I would look at online spaces, and it just wasn't something that spoke to the kind of investor I was, and I just knew that we needed something in the market. It is so important for women to learn about investing and have economic empowerment because that means choices. When you have choices, you can decide what kind of life you live, you can make things a little bit better for yourself and your family, and everyone deserves that. We often ask our community, what's stopping you? And it's always knowledge and it's always lack of representation. And I think when you find those coming together and you see someone that looks like you as a retail investor or a VC, you start saying, okay, well, if they can do it, I can do it as well. Definitely just start taking that first step, because you might think, well, no one looks like me doing it. Maybe it's not a space I'm meant to be, but it is so important to, even if you are the first person, to just get started, and you'll have so many people behind you that want to follow along. I believe that when we have more money in the hands of a diverse group of people, we are going to create a much better world, because that means more choices, more opinions, and when that all comes together and we see it time and time again, we just get better outcomes.